If you're using Freshsales as a CRM application in your business, then you are on the correct platform because this video is going to help you to arrange and track the leads that is added into your Freshsales account automatically in a systematic manner in Google Sheets. Let me just show you how. I'm going to create a new contact of my lead in my Freshsales account. You will see the backup of that same contact will be added in Google Sheets with the details. So let me add in a new contact in front of you. The email address of my lead is dummyperson556@pabblytudes.com. The first name is dummy. The last name is person556. It is asking for the mobile number, for which I'm going to enter a dummy phone number right over here and then click on the save button to create this contact. As soon as I will do that, you will see right over here the new contact in the name of dummy person is created successfully. As now this contact is created, you will see the same contact is added in my Google Sheets instantly. So this is how this setup is actually going to work. The new lead is going to be added into your Freshsales CRM application, and you will see the lead, the backup of that same contact of the lead will be created in Google Sheets. So I'm going to show you in this video how you can create this setup for your business as well. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the creation of this setup without need of any technical, coding and programming skills using the software Pabbly Connect. So now to create this automation, I am using Pabbly Connect. If you want to access Pabbly Connect on a new tab, search for www.pabbly.com/connect. You will come to this website. Now, if you are logging in for the first time, sign up for free from here. You will receive 100 free tasks every single month. Using the 100 tasks, you can test out the automation that I will be teaching you in this video right away with me. You can create this setup and you can access other features of Pabbly Connect and just check how it works actually. And then after testing everything, if you want to purchase our yearly or one-time plans, use the code on the left side of my screen to get instant and amazing discounts on the purchase. The code ANGYT is added in the description section as well. Go ahead and use it. I have already created the template of this workflow that I will be using. If you want to use the same template, check out the workflow link added in the description section below. It's free to use. My trigger of this workflow is Freshsales new contact. Why have I selected this trigger? As soon as a new contact is added in my Freshsales account, I want this trigger should capture the response of that. That is, I've selected the respected application and the event. Copy this URL because using this URL, we are going to create the connection between Freshsales and Pabbly Connect. Now to create the connection, go towards this admin settings option. After coming to admin section, you have to search for automation. So I'm going to search for automation right here. As soon as I will do that, you will come under the terms and territories and under which you will come to workflows. Select this option. After coming to this workflow section, now we are going to create a new workflow. For that, click on this create workflow option. After clicking on create workflow, firstly it is asking for the name of the workflow, for which I'll write over here as new contact created. After that, for the module, select contact, and for the trigger, select it as when the contact is created. Okay, run this workflow once for each contact. For each contact, this workflow is going to run once. Okay, now there is no condition, so I'm going to delete the condition from here. What should happen? Automatically a workflow should be triggered. So I'm going to select the option of trigger webhook, and now we have to first select the request method, for which I'm going to select post method. For the URL, I will paste the webhook URL that Pabbly Connect has provided us. Select the encoding format as JSON, compose request body as simple. Now select the details that you want to share. I want the contact ID, first name, last name, email, and the phone number. So I want the details. If you want other details, you can select it from the drop down according to you and click on this save button. As soon as I will do that, the action will be saved as well. The workflow is created. So I'm going to enable this workflow from here. You will see the new contact created workflow has now been is now been enabled. So as now this is enabled, that means this workflow, the webhook that we have received, is been successfully added in our Freshsales account. Now simply go back and click on this recapture button. It says waiting for webhook response. So now to check whether this connection is successfully created or not, in front of you I'm going to create a new contact and check whether my trigger captures the response of the contact been created or not. So let me add a new contact in front of you. For the name of this contact, I'll write over here as amaze.person@pabblytudes.com. First name Amaze, last name Person, and for the phone number, I'm going to enter a dummy phone number right here and click on the save button to create this contact. As now the contact in the name of Amaze Person is created successfully. Now if I'm going to go back to my trigger, you will see the response is automatically captured for Amaze Person, amaze.person@pabblytudes.com. This is the contact ID and this is the phone number. So as now the response is captured, Freshsales is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now let's send the contact details in our Google Sheets. For that, we're going to set up this action step of Google Sheets, add new row, click on this connect button, select the connection option, new connection option, and click on the sign in with Google button. Now select the account with the help of which you have created your spreadsheet from here. Then it is asking for the access of the account, for which click on this allow button, as this is a safe process and my data is completely safe with Pabbly Connect. I've created a spreadsheet in the name of Freshsales contact details. So I will select this from the drop down. I will select the sheet in the name of sheet 1. Next, these are the headers that I've created in my spreadsheet under which I want to create the record. Now for the data of each field, I will map the data. Mapping is inserting data from the previous step. From where you want to map the data, add a slash, previous step is going to appear, and this is the contact ID that I want to add in Google Sheets. I will select the data from my previous response. Now this process makes the data mapped, and as now this data is mapped, this data has now become dynamic. Now whenever a new response will be captured in the previous step, automatically the new data will be updated in place of this mapped data. In the similar manner, I will map the data of the first name, I will map the data of the last name, I will map the data of the email address. So let me search and map the data, as well as I will map the data of this phone number. So as I've done that, click on the save and send test request button. You will receive this response and you will see the data of the contact is added in Google Sheets, Amaze Person, the same contact ID, amaze.person@pabblytudes.com with the phone number. So as now the contact is successfully added in Google Sheets, this means the connection between these two applications is now completed. Now your CRM is connected with your Google Sheets. A new lead as a contact will be created in your CRM application. Automatically will see the same lead is added in Google Sheets. So now if you have any questions or doubts related to the setup, comment down below. I will reply to all your queries. If you like this setup, how it's working, and if you like Pabbly Connect and want to create such amazing automations using Pabbly Connect, for that purchase our yearly and lifetime plans and use the code on the left side of my screen to get most amazing discounts. You will get very good discounts using the code, and the discounts are for limited time only. So go ahead and use the code right away. So this was it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Not just this connection, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you want to know about the different plans that Pabbly Connect provides you, you can check out the link given over here. And if you have any queries related to it, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and thank you so much for watching.